took all the shrapnel out of the car, but it doesn't really matter because it's going to get filled with shrapnel again.
Love it. You got your stuff tires so you won't get it flat, right?
Yeah. It's also got solid suspension too.
Oh, nice.
So
it'll work.
I won't hit a bump.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's hot.
Slide her up. There's a steel door, that's for the strength.
That's a fucking steel safety door. Fire rated. Fire rated steel safety door.
How do you feel about this?
Kind of nervous. But what's kind of scared me right after I go through, if I go through, it's just a big wall of dirt.
Well, that's to stop you from actually like going that way. You need the speed. That's
They're lined up good. They're lined up
I think so. Maybe a little bit more that way, just a little.
Alright, I'm gonna go get my helmet.
almost.
So I maybe chickened out a bit. I was a little nervous. It's been a year since I've been in a demolition derby. So now we're gonna use some tailgates. Figure this is kind of super rednecky.
Ford tough, bud.
Ford tough. Yeah. Yeah, that'll hold a Camry. Is the other ramp like super bad? Can we try to use it at all or no?
The what? I'd stick that steel door in the mix there somewhere too, maybe at the beginning of the ramp.
In the middle, it's just gonna hit rad support and just kind of shove everything
This might
up.
help.
I think if we take it down to 2, it might be better. I don't need to. If I get enough speed, I'll clear the tires. I think.
Yeah.
Hey there.
Loud car, eh?
He's gonna crash through the camper.
The cart still flying? Crash! He crashed!
Still running.
Yeah, he crashed!
Yeah, car crash. I gotta go get my truck. The whole thing didn't even sway.
Yeah, it was a car crash.
It's like you can see where you penetrated. Maybe it was this door. Maybe a tough door.
Well, I seem to have got my car stuck inside of an RV. So now we're just gonna pull her out. Thank you! Let's hook it to the other wheel now. Play dead. Roll over. That
That worked like really good.
Yeah. Well, now that we got the RV all jacked up here on its side, now we can change the U-joint, which is just going to be that simple. You just put it right in there, and you just put those bolts back in, and that's how you change your U-joint on your 1975 RV camper. Just like that. Good? I don't know. Put it in park.
No, they work.
What?